How to rejoin Messenger group after leaving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So sometimes we tend to leave a Messenger group by mistake. So I'll tell you how you can rejoin it. So first things first, make sure that once you are joined in a group in Messenger, you open it and then go to the profile on the top and then scroll down and tap on invite link. So toggle it on and then copy the link. So once you've copied the link, come back and then what you do is you search for your own name on Messenger and then send the group link to yourself. So don't forget to do that. And okay, I'll teach you. So if you accidentally leave the group, what you can do is you can come back and then tap on the link and join the group because you have an invite link. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.